Professor Palani Thurai's impact extends beyond academia. He is actively involved in action research projects, securing over rupees 5.6 crore in funding from various national and international agencies. As chairman of the Tamil Nadu Council for Sustainable Development, he succeeded Dr. M.S. Vishwanathan and has M.S. Swaminathan and has contributed significantly to the devolution of powers in local bodies. Let us give him clap for this great achievement. Professor Palani Thurai's commitment to grassroots democracy is evident in his creation of forums like the Tamil Nadu Campaign for Panchayati Raj and the establishment of the support structures for elected women and Dalit representatives. His extensive engagement with Panchayat leaders, training modules and the leadership school showcase his dedication to transformative leadership and social development. Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed, I consider, singular privilege to have esteemed eminent personality amidst us today. Respected sir, on behalf of BMZ, I don't know whether she is online today, yesterday she was online, Miss Susan from Germany, and office bearers, organizers, and all participants, we extend a warm welcome to you. Welcome, dear sir. May I invite Mrs. Esther on behalf of the participant from Trichy province to Don Ponadai, and Mr. Stephen, the national coordinator, to give out momentum. I request Father Leo to give away this book. The book கொடுக்குற மாதிரி sir has produced a number of book literature and we are giving this book.
He has already discovered his destiny.
5 states. I have already briefed you about this whole plan and the floor is yours.
Sir.